Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Healthy beef stew recipe for dogs. Dr. Veda. For a healthy and balanced meal for your pup, try this homemade healthy beef stew recipe. It combines lean beef with a variety of vegetables and grains to provide the necessary nutrients for your dog's well-being. With this recipe, you have the advantage of controlling the quality of ingredients and avoiding any additives or preservatives found in store-bought pet food. This beef stew is not only easy to make but can also be stored in the refrigerator or freezer for future meals, ensuring that your furry friend always has a nutritious option available. By following this recipe, you can ensure that your dog gets a delicious and wholesome meal tailored to their nutritional needs.